In 2026, with the tax credit gone, is it still worth it to get solar? Oh, look who here. This is Carrie from Solar Sesame.
Hi.
She's taking a look at my system here. Don't mind her. Basically, we have a very complicated setup right here with backup batteries and a modular unit and a smart home panel. But we're getting solar just like a lot of other people. And it doesn't have to be a complicated setup like this. They have solutions that is easy, turnkey. And I always wonder, right now in 2026 with the tax credit gone, is it still worth it to get solar? How about something like this, or how about something that's turnkey? If you want to get solar, is it still worth it in 2026?
Solar is always worth it, okay? The price of energy is always increasing, and now that they have AI taking over, there's data centers being built, which puts a lot of strain on our grid. So solar is always a better idea. Power companies have this old grid that they have to maintain and work on, and it costs about $25 billion is what the proposed cost of repairing and moving all the power lines underground because of the wildfires in California. So a lot of people are going solar because it's cheaper, it's better for the planet, and it's better on their wallet. So currently we're paying 62 cents for energy, 62 cents a kilowatt hour. When people go solar with a lease, for example, you can get your energy costs for like 20 cents a kilowatt hour, which is a huge savings. I mean, that's over 50% savings. So sometimes people think, oh, I don't have the money to buy solar. You can do a lease with nothing out of pocket. Now you're doing a cash deal. We're adding solar panels onto your already existing EcoFlow battery, which is amazing, totally customizable here. And he's already got his set up, so we're gonna add solar panels on to give him even more energy, and he can store it in his battery. But a lot of customers like the Tesla Powerwall. We also have the Enphase batteries. We can pretty much do any battery that you want. We have Franklin battery, but most customers either use EcoFlow or the Tesla Powerwall. I like the Tesla Powerwall because it has an integrated inverter, and it's just like a seamless, easy install.
You guys are not just local in the Bay Area, are you?
Right. No, we have an office down in Southern California in Costa Mesa, and we will be opening up a Fresno market very soon in the next quarter, and then we'll be opening up San Diego, a larger market in San Diego. But our headquarters is in Hayward, California.
Wow, wait, you're actually expanding.
Yes.
I've been reaching out for a lot of companies for my complicated setup here, and a lot of companies are they don't want to work with me, they just want a turnkey solution.
Yeah.
You guys are able to work with me, but also one of the things that I noticed about the other companies is that they might not be around very long, because I don't know if they can survive this tax cut that's going away, but you guys are expanding, so you're able to handle this.
There was a rush with the cash customers due to the tax credit, and people wanted to lock in and get their tax credit, their 30% tax credit, but that's gone now. So a lot of people are shifting to the PPAs or a solar lease because it's a cheaper option. You have the warranties, everything for 25 years. It's just a better long-term investment for the people who want to go solar and save money on their power bill. So a lot of these solar companies that don't offer a PPA or a lease might be struggling to stay in business now that the cash rush is ending because the tax credit's over. Everyone's shifting back to a solar lease. And we have the best lenders. We have GoodLeap and we have Enfin. We have all the lenders, and we can get you the best pricing.
So just recap one more time. So they can still get good pricing even though the tax cut is gone?
Yes.
But why? How is that still possible?
Well, there's this might be a little too in depth, but there with the tariffs and everything that happened this year, equipment had to be safe harbored, equipment that was made in the United States. So we have equipment that we have pre-purchased that was safe harbored equipment. So we're still pretty much giving you
the old pricing.
Yeah, old pricing.
Oh,
now,
no way.
And soon that safe harbor equipment will run out because we do about 60 installs a month. You know, we're very busy. We're obviously using up everything that we pre-purchased with our distributor, but we definitely still have very good pricing. And we're very competitive with our pricing at Solar Sesame. And we always fight for the customers. It's not just this is what you get. We are working with him to figure out exactly what he needs with his already existing battery that he has.
That's really nice of you, because a lot of companies, these safe harbor equipment, they would just consider that their own profit and sell at market pricing.
Exactly.
But you're giving
we're a
that
customer first company for sure.
That's crazy. Wow. I love the way you guys work. I love all your principles and the way you handle things. It's amazing. And your technical abilities and your license and your warranty, everything is so good.
Things, yes,
so
we have all the things.
That's Carrie from Solar Sesame.
Yep.
We'll drop a link down below. They are going to be expanding expanding, not just in the Bay Area, but also all over
Statewide.
California,
Yep.
statewide pretty soon, and even maybe the whole United
Yes.
States before you know it. They are going to be one of the top 3, maybe 4, maybe 3 or 4 solar companies in the world. So if you want a company that's going to be around for when you need warranty or service within your 30-year warranty period, they're going to be able to be here to offer it. Not like a
Absolutely.
company that promises 30 years, but if the company's not there anymore, it doesn't really matter.
Right.
So, anyway,
Exactly.
thanks a lot,
Hey,
Carrie, for
thanks.
being on our video. And that is Solar Sesame Carrie. Bye, guys. We're out.